Yeah, hi, this is SY Sublime, and it's been a few weeks since I did my last video, but I got some more things I ordered for my boat, and I don't know what this one is, but open it up. Crap. I don't even know what it is. Oh, okay, these are, what are they? Oh, my water jugs. Oh wow, these are my Skepta water jugs. I bought 6 of these, I believe. So these are 4. I'm going to skip the water jugs. Okay, so I have those in that box. And then, I don't know what's in this box. It's been so long since I've actually remembered what I ordered, so. Okay, let's see what's in here. This is, my sanitation hose. This is all my sanitation hose. Oh my gosh, they really packed that up, didn't they? This is, I think here's the sanitation hose. This looks like it's been used. Those brown on the inside. Why is it brown? It looks like it's been used. So that's the 1 inch. God fucking damn it. Anyway, so this is the 1 inch. I got all this stuff from Defender Marine. I guess they wrapped it up nice. And then this is the 1.5 inch. I got 25 feet of this, and I think 5 feet of that, or 10 feet of that one. I don't know. And then I got a outdoor deck shower as well, and do an unboxing of this as well. I don't know which. And then what's in this box? Oh, okay, more. The other 2 skip the water jugs. Got the other one here. So it's 6 of these I got. So got my water jugs. Cool. Down over there. Oh, cool. So I got my 6 water jugs. And my hose. So awesome. I'll just leave those packed for now. Alright. Got my 6 Skepta water jugs. The 1 inch sanitation hose, the 1.5 inch sanitation hose, and the shower, which I'm going to do a quick unboxing for right now. This is the Ambassador deck shower that I got. What else? Let's just go through this up. Anyway, so this is the shower. I have a spot where I used to have a old Raymarine GPS that I'm going to put this in. Hopefully I will be able to put it in there. So this is the shower hose, I presume, and then screws, and then the unit itself. Oh, yeah, that should fit in the spot where I need to put it. So that's the front. It's closed up. This is the back. It's pretty low profile too. It's a fairly low profile. Won't stick out too much. And then this is the inside of it. There's a handle. This is the handle. Alright. And then hot and cold knobs. Oh, they're nice. They're quarter turn too. Oh, that's very good. Awesome. Oh wow, that's nice. I like that. That should fit really well where I've got to put it in the back of my in the very back. Oh, goes this way. No, can't go that way. Can't go that way. Is it? I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, so I'd better have a deck shower. So I use my shower on my head. So yeah, so I'll get this all situated eventually. So anyway, alright, this is SY Sublime. Sorry it's been so long since I did a video. Just got a lot going on. So fair winds, temperate seas, sandy toes, and margaritas. Check it out.